Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fish burgers. This recipe makes make the sauce for the fish burger. You need some mayonnaise, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now!